Hey, what's up, Pundix holders? So, what's the new target of Pundix? What's my prediction of Pundix to upcoming days? They're moving up or they fails down, and also what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? So, everything about Pundix very important. But first of all, if you can see here, my friends, this time the crypto market very badly fails down in the last in the first days, my friend. But this time you can see here the crypto market moving up. This time the chain occur is very good, my friend. But in the previous days, absolutely they very badly fell down. So let's get started the Founding X production, my friend, first of all. But I request you, my friend, when I start this video, before I get started this video, I request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates, my friend. This is very good for me and for you also, because every stake update you every time, my friend. If you can see, my friend, in the first week, they are very badly fails down, my friend. This is the last 7 days result, if you can see here. And the price is increased now. 4.61 US dollar from 3 US dollar. I think this time also in the last 1 hour also the price as 3 US dollar. But I hope I hope you can see here this is very small take a jump, but this is jump. So I hope after a fails they take a very high jump, my friend. This is the circulation. You can see here this is the circulation. Every cryptocurrency is moving like this style. So my friend, if they're moving up like this style, so they I hope they're moving a high jump. So my friend, upcoming days they're moving up. I hope this time you can see here the highest point as here. So I hope they can hit it 5 US dollar, because the latest price is 15 US dollar in the last 1 month. Okay, let's check out to what's the price of last. Oh my goodness, 9.6 US dollar is the last 1 month. So everyone is very badly lost, my friend. If anybody sell it, please, I hope you don't sell it. But if you or cannot sell it this time, then please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month or wait for the second month. I hope they're starting moving. This is very bad time for Pundix holder, because Pundix change also. You can see here everybody know about Pundix old, Pundix new. I don't know to what's this what they're doing, but I hope, my friend, upcoming days they're moving up. My expectation is very good from Pundix, because I remember the Pundix jump, because the Pundix when take a jump, then exactly they gone like a rocket, absolutely gone like a rocket. But at the last and at the last months they very badly fell down, my friend. They very badly fell down. So I hope, my friend, if you want to sell it this time, then you are in the loss exactly, but you are be safe from more loss. But if you are hold this, then what I say to, I hope in upcoming days they're moving up, then they give you a very good profit. So please hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they're moving up. So then you sell it. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit. So my prediction is to the upcoming days they're going up, and the target as 5 US dollar this time in the last 1 hour in the last days, and I hope they can hit it easily if they're starting moving up, my friend. And my opinions to please hold it. If you have any plan to buy more, then exactly this is not a good time to you buy it, because they I cannot say you to they going up in upcoming days with guarantee. Okay, so this is just my opinion. Please, if you want to invest, then please research personally. Thanks for watching. For the X holder, please hold it. If you have any time sell it, then exactly there you are in the loss, but wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.